Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Telegram and selecting the chat whose background you want to change. Tap the chat header or three-dot menu to open chat settings. This exposes the wallpaper option. Once you tap Change Chat Background or Set Wallpaper, you'll see choices, built-in patterns, colors, or your photos. Make sure the correct chat is active so you don't alter group and personal threads by mistake. Now select the source you want and prepare the image or color for the next steps. Next, choose the wallpaper source and customize it. If you pick a pattern or photo, use crop and alignment to place the focal area where messages won't overlap. Apply blur, dim, or motion effects to keep text readable. Subtle adjustments prevent contrast issues. Once done, preview the chat to see how message bubbles and timestamps appear against the new background. If the app offers separate dark mode settings, toggle those to verify both light and dark variants. Look good before. To finish, tap Apply or Set and decide whether to use this wallpaper for only this chat or all chats. Once applied, scroll through the conversation and open other chats to confirm readability and consistent appearance. If text or icons are hard to read, return to the wallpaper picker and reduce intensity, change crop, or choose a plainer image. If the change doesn't stick, clear Telegram cache, restart the app, and retry. If problems persist, update the app or reinstall as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.